Welcome. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. The Fulani herdsmen at it again. Well, the Yoruba people cannot go to their farm again because the Fulani herdsmen have returned and resumed their chaotic behavior. Well, people in Igongo Igbagba have been complaining and they're not able to go to the farm because of these Fulani herdsmen. Well, these herdsmen are allegedly collecting phones and cutting people with cutlass, macheting them. And they say that they have injured a lot of people so badly. And this operation continues. And we all know that these people are doing things like this because at the end of the day, they know that they're not going to get arrested. And even if at the end of the day they get arrested, they will surely be released. And this has been happening in the southwest. And these people are saying they're angry. It's as if they're already taking over the southwest. The Fulani people are getting much as the day is going by. And anyone who talks about the Oduduwa nation, they see it as an oppression and they decide to strike. Well, these people are really suffering. And now they have become the Yoruba people are becoming slaves in their own states to see how bad it is. And now they have grown wings to the extent that they are becoming alarming every single day. They say that they cannot go to their farms. That if they go to their farms, these Fulani herdsmen will come, cut them with cutlass, injure them badly, take their phones, or even burn their land. And this is something that has been going on for a really long time. These Fulani herdsmen who are terrorists who come into a place, burn the place, abduct as many people they can abduct, and let everything loose. They burn down the place, cause chaos and commotion. And this has been one thing that a lot of people have been complaining about, and they have brought it to the ears of the president of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari. But the fact is that our president is not saying anything about the issue happening. And it has been going on. These people are not feeling safe anymore in their states. Just imagine, I'm a Yoruba indigene, and somebody from elsewhere, from the northern side, is coming into my state and acting like a boss over my own state, a state where I'm meant to feel free. And these people are not longer feeling free. They're no longer feeling happy. And that is why Sunday Igboho made mention of all the northern people going back to their states. And when he made mention of this, people were like, it's not that deep, it should not be like that and all. But now we see that it's very deep. It's deeper than how we thought it was. It's just starting, and that's the funny thing, that if these people continue to do this thing, they will feel like they have power and I can't do anything and I will not get arrested. And even if I eventually get arrested, I would come back. So these Fulani herdsmen have grown so much wings, and they've been given a lot of power because nobody can harm them. They are more like invisible people right now, and that is why they commit different crimes. If there were punishments melted out of these Fulani herdsmen, they won't be doing all these things that they're doing. If they could just use 2 or 3 people as a scapegoat and make them know that you cannot continue burning people's houses, killing people and macheting people, all because of you are Fulani or you're a Fulani herdsman. There was a time that some rams or cows blocked a particular community in the western region, and so the people there could not let this happen because they were blocking vehicles from passing, they were blocking vehicles from moving. And these people decided to take the cows into their custody and told the people that they should come, that whoever is the owner of the cow, whoever is heading these cattle, should come and take the cattle later because they are obstructing vehicles from moving. You can imagine what happened next. Some soldiers came in and arrested them for taking these cattle into their custody. So you can see now that cattle are more important than human lives in this country. The fact that when human beings are being killed like fowls, are being killed, their blood being shed, our president do not say anything. But when cattle are being killed, you will see Buhari coming out to talk about how is so sad about the cattle dying and all. And people have said that our president is turning a blind eyes to everything. Reverend Mockery has been saying that these Fulani herdsmen have people backing them, and that there are a lot of things that these politicians do not want them to reveal. He also accused Buhari of maybe having a hand in this Fulani herdsmen chaos and wahala. According to him, he said that a lot of top politicians know what is going on, and that they're just keeping quiet because they don't want them to be exposed. Well, this is why Sunday Igboho has been fighting for a separate nation, because they are threatening the people of Yoruba. They are threatening the Yoruba people, and Sunday Igboho as a leader, as somebody that wants the good and the betterment of his people at heart, cannot sit down and watch this happen right before his eyes without him going down without a fight. And that is why he decided to push this Oduduwa movement. He decided to continue from where Professor Banji Akintoye stopped. We all know that Professor Banji Akintoye has left from movement, and it ended up not being successful. So Sunday Igboho could not watch his people being put down, all in the name of Northerners. He decided to fight to separate Nigeria. He decided to fight for this Oduduwa nation because he feels like, let everyone go to their states. What are the Fulanis doing in another man's state? And the fact that they don't even come to that state to add value or to do something good. They come to perpetrate all kinds of evil, to come and kill people. And now it's like these Yoruba people are at the mercy of these Fulani people. They have to beg them to allow them to go to their farms. Why can't people work freely or go to their farms? They can't go and work. These farms are their source of livelihood. This is what they live on. This is how they feed their family. They feed themselves. This is how some of them pay their children's school fees. So taking that away from them, you are cutting every means of livelihood that they have. So now it's like they are at the mercy of these people. You can see what is going on. It's like as if the Northerners are now God over different states. They come into a state and decide how to take over, how to rule the state. And Sunday Igboho saw this and was like, no, we can't allow somebody that is not even from the West, that is not even Yoruba, to come and be constituting nuisance in our state. Let us take this matter into our own hands. Let's build our own nation. But we all saw what the federal government said. No, the federal government feels like he's a threat to them because he is speaking the truth and they don't want the truth to be known. Flood my comment section. Tell me how you feel about this news reaching you right now. And do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And turn on your notification button to get more news updates from us as it comes. Thank you.